What causes RC, brushless, motor sensor wire connection problems? Imagine your RC car racing smoothly one moment and then suddenly jerking or stopping the next. Often, the culprit is a sensor wire connection issue in your brushless motor. These problems usually happen because of loose or damaged sensor wires, incorrect wiring, poor connections, or faulty hardware. When the sensor wires are loose or not plugged in properly, the electronic speed controller cannot get the signals it needs from the motor's Hall sensors. This feedback is essential for controlling the motor's speed and direction. If the wires fall out during a jump or crash, the motor might cut out or run erratically. Sometimes, the sensor wires get torn or frayed from constant bending or rubbing against parts inside the chassis. Thin sensor wires are especially vulnerable to damage from abrasion or pinching. Incorrect wiring is another common cause. Many brushless motors use 5 or 6-pin connectors for sensor signals, but if the wiring order is wrong or connectors don't match, the signals get mixed up. For example, plugging a 6-pin motor sensor cable into a 5-pin ESC port can cause the motor to run backwards or not run at all. Using the wrong connectors or not aligning pins properly can lead to sensor errors. Poor solder joints are also a problem. If the sensor wires are not soldered well or the connectors are low quality, vibrations from driving can cause intermittent connections. Over time, cold solder joints may crack or break, leading to signal loss. During upgrades or repairs, it's important to resolder carefully and use good quality connectors. Sometimes, the problem isn't with the wiring but with the hardware itself. Faulty Hall sensors or a damaged ESC sensor input circuit can cause connection issues, but most problems are from wiring mistakes or loose connections. When working on RC models with brushless motors, always check sensor wires after crashes or heavy use. Make sure connectors are fully seated and wires are not damaged. Use the correct wiring diagram for your motor and ESC, and double-check pin alignment. Resolder any broken wires and replace worn connectors. Remember, some SES can run brushless motors without sensors, but that often results in less precise control. Fixing sensor wire connection problems makes your RC car run smoother, reduces cogging, and improves overall performance. Proper wiring and secure connections are key to getting the most out of your brushless motor upgrades.